can't see the color in the world. My world is only black and white.
Try this.
Apple is red.
This is a thing called electronic eye. It can assist colorblind people to recognize colors.
The electronic eye will detect the color and turn it into frequency and send it to your brain, so you could know what color you are seeing right now.
The benefit is now people who has colorblind can also match their colors and drive cars by themselves.
The appearance is like a special helmet with an inductor, just like a lanternfish.